Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Maserati Levante. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a 27mm socket for the oil filter, and a 10mm hex or 6 to 7mm Torx socket for the drain plug. You will also need approximately 8.3 liters of factory-approved synthetic oil and a new oil filter with a crush washer. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting and securing your vehicle with jack stands or ramps. Once your Levante is safely elevated, place a large drain pan beneath the engine. Locate the drain plug, typically requiring a 10mm hex or 6 to 7mm Torx socket, and carefully remove it. Allow the old engine oil, approximately 8.3 liters, to completely drain. Next, locate the oil filter, often found under the airbox, and use a 27mm socket to remove it. Be prepared for some oil spillage. After the old oil has drained, install your new oil filter, hand tightening it first, then torquing it to 25 Newton meters. Replace the drain plug with a fresh copper crush washer, tightening it to 60 Newton meters to prevent leaks. Now, carefully pour the new, factory-approved synthetic engine oil into the filler cap. For most V6 models, this will be around 8.3 liters of 10W60 oil. Once the new oil is in, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then shut it off. Check the oil level on the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the proper mark. Finally, you will need to reset the service light. For models made after 2018, this typically requires a specialized scan tool and a security gateway bypass cable to clear the maintenance indicator.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.